Good morning. This episode is brought to you by Renogy and their 48 volt 50 amp hour battery. They sent me this a little while ago to test and check out, and I've been putting it through its paces so far. I don't have it installed in the boat just yet, but I wanted to show you guys this thing out in the open because it's kind of crazy, but it's not crazy at first. When you first look at this thing, you're just like, oh, normal battery, sure. Except it's a normal battery size that fits twice the capacity in it. 50 amp hours, 48 volts. Remember, 48 volt, you gotta multiply it by 4 compared to your regular 12s. So it's the same size as a 12 volt 100 amp hour battery, but it's twice the capacity. So we're looking at 2.5 kilowatt hours of juice just in one little battery pack. It's $720 Canadian or 650 American. And all of that fits in the same footprint as these little batteries. It's got a heated cell along the bottom, but it does not have Bluetooth. And so that's it. It's just dead simple drag and drop system. So if you wanted to upgrade your small boat system from a 12 volt system up to a 48 volt system, this would let you do it with lithium cells without going in series, which I've had a lot of trouble bringing my systems from parallel into series. This system is set up just for parallel, so everything, you can put up to 8 of these things in a row. I just think this thing is really cool because it's such a small compact form. It's quite dense, like it's very heavy to lift. This feels, I thought it was plastic at first, but I was reading it in the manual. Apparently this is a metal case. I'm going to assume that's aluminum then, because it feels like plastic to me. I don't know what they're on about. I know the heating pad is along the bottom, so it's one of the higher end ones, but the heating pad is not built into the BMS module, glued to the top. It's actually going to do much more work, much more efficiently, glued to the bottom there. And other than that, I mean, it's really just a battery that works super well. So this lets you, for 650 American dollars or 720 Canadian, this lets you get a 48 volt system, which is kind of crazy. There's not too many batteries that small and that affordable to get into 48 volt, and then you can stack them all in parallel over time. With 2 sealed lugs on top and a sealed case, it's just a simple, great battery, great for marine applications, and yeah, 48 volt pack and a 12 volt package. That's amazing. All right, let's get back to the episode. Thank you, Ryan.
You're welcome.
This is Ryan. He'll be helping me over the next few days, hopefully get some stuff done, including this piece of glass that's going into that hatch. I'm Simon. I'm a shipwright.
Never being a ship wrong.
I say this being obsessed with boats is a disease, but I heard there's a really new revolutionary medication for it. You know what it's called? Antibiotics. That's funny, right? I'm gonna get like the last nail in, it's gonna crack or something. I could just try.
The whole piece
just shatter. So like, wow, the boat has one less hole in it. We did good. couple of days of work. Ryan's been a trooper. He's actually cooking in the kitchen right now. Look at that. Works all day and makes me dinner. How great is that? Alright, we're gonna have burgers. Barry and Haley are freeloading off of us for our delicious dinner, and here they are. They finally moved back onto the boat. That's great.
I don't give my consent to be filmed. Like.
That's it, you don't have consent.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are taking some time off of perihelion. We've done enough sanding, thank you very much. Enough fiberglassing, and we're gonna go do a little diving expedition with Nicola and Eve. And Ryan's just gonna ride shotgun here with me and hang out in the cockpit with Honey. But we're gonna go dive a sunken, it's a sunken 747, what is it? 737. So it's a Boeing 737 that we're gonna dive, and visibility hasn't been the best this week, so it should be kind of a scary dive. It's really ominous seeing things come out of the dark at you like that, especially a Boeing 737.
get you guys as you came up. I noticed the bubbles like just 30 seconds ago.
Yeah, they started putting out a lot of air because I had to cut out my tanks, even though it's bigger than theirs. They're at a higher PSI. Mine's the old school tank.
Right.
And I'm not as experienced, so I
Using
use more
more
air
air.
to boot. Anyway, I'm only down there for 30 minutes, and they'll probably be down there another 15. And I gave them the hand signals, they gave me the okay. Did my safety stop, and I'm out. What a cool dive.
Yeah.
It's
Did you go
weird.
through the whole thing? Like go through the
Underwater
center?
airplane, it's weird. Yeah, I saw, you can see everything pretty quick when you take off. As you can imagine, climbing through an airplane when you go to take a flight, there ain't all that much more to look at.
Yeah.
The storage compartment down below is pretty small. I always thought those things are huge. Pretty tiny. Cockpit's bigger than I thought though.